I'm back. So, what's up everyone? Korang mesti tanya kan, mana aku pergi? Guys, korang kena faham ni. Aku ada banyak saya pernah buat. So macam tak ada masa nak buat video. So very sorry. So siapa yang masih suka video aku, I am very sorry. But we're here, so let's play. So apa last video aku buat? Aku lupa dah. Buat video apa dah? Shawarma Kiosk, Father's Limbo. Dah. Don't clap twice. Dollhouse lah. Macam guys, boleh tu Dollhouse. So if you guys aku dah lupa dah apa nak cakap. Skrip video aku. Okay, so kalau korang enjoy this so kalau korang So kalau korang baru kat sini, boleh subscribe and like the video. Jangan lupa. Aku suka buat video YouTube, mostly Roblox horror. But later I think I can do more than Roblox horror. So Dollhouse, swear to God, tegang gila aku punya ni. Okay, kita kat mana ni? Kenapa aku dengar bunyi api? Bising lah. Hello brother. Oh, bising no bunyi api. Entah. Okay, so aku rasa ini doll dia. Seram tak? Okay. Let's see. Tak boleh. Guys, apa ni guys? Ini semua animal cruelty guys. Spontaneity. Philosopher Kai Cenat. Take. Boom. Buka. Money. Yo, chill bro. Chill bro, chill. Money time. Abuse. Who here likes money? Me. I love money, bro. Setelah me. W's and W's. Yeah. Yep. She wasn't there before. Who is she? Hello, miss. How are you? You look very ugly. No, I don't think she's ugly. She's beautiful in her own way. Guys, kau rasa glare daripada spek aku ni kacau muka aku yang handsome? Tiba. Okay. Apa? Aku nak buat apa ni? Aku dah tak read the story. You know what? Aku just interact everything around this room. Kenapa macam ada glow ni? Weird. Crouch, shift, apa ni? We don't see you, we hear from you. Don't even know where you are half the time. You wasn't there. You wasn't there before, mister. What are you doing there? I'm just trying to read, bro. reading for 15 minutes to help me be a better reader. Lepas tu show time. Chill out. She's sleeping away and you're locked in your room. Why? Stop avoiding this and get to the hospital. Swear to God, mister, you don't jump scare me your shit, bro. Telling you, bro. So weird from... Masak apa ni? Nasi pedas ke? Merah semacam. Bawa aku punya ni. Because... Kau tahu aku ni pure budak Selangor, budak KL. So kalau aku macam cakap dengan accent, semua kawan-kawan dari utara aku semua macam kata, bagus je accent kau. Macam aku dengar accent kau macam nice gila. Ush, ada flashlight lah. Aku macam kalau dengar accent kau, aku rasa macam aku rindu dengan kampung aku. Lepas aku macam tak tahu lah. Like kau apa gue know. Macam tu lah. Tak pun aku macam, you know, aku macam cakap ada macam hampas sepa. Pasal nanti macam nampak jadi tu. Aku dengar accent kau, aku rindu dengan kampung aku. I mean, aku tak nak blame diorang lah, sebab accent aku macam nice kan. Tapi tu lah, like, aku faham lah kenapa. Macam, you know, aku cakap macam hampas sepa. Hui, maju sebelah. Okay, chill. Sekejap, aku dah curi semua barang ke? Dah. Boleh chill up. Aduh, hey. You gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill, bro. You got to chill, bro. Oh, I know you guys wasn't there before, but it's I tau. Aku wonder gak karakter aku ni karakter Roblox aku ke karakter lain. Read. Don't turn your back on them. Aku nampak kaki dia. Aku tahu semua orang surround aku. Tapi aku tak tahu lah dia orang nak move. Okay, chill, bro. Bro, Mr. Chill, bro. You gotta fucking chill. Okay. Ui, aku baru je sebut pasal karakter Roblox. Karakter aku. It's behind key. Hallway key. Should I run? Can I run? Can I run, bro? So done, bro. Mister, please, hello. You wasn't there before? You is here. You was here. You was here. And somehow you're there. Weh, baru je aku sebut. Nah, bro. Okay, tak ada orang kat sini. Abuse? Ni apa ni? Apa ni macam ni? Hei! Hei! You gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill. You gotta fucking chill. Dah lah tu kimak. Sumpah. Sumpah dah. Hei, dah lah gila. Dah bodoh, sumpah. W's kosong. Dah lah. Forgive me dear, now I realize that I've made a big mistake. Whoever reads this letter, I must confess for what I done now. Okay, aku kena chill je. Banyak sangat thing is happening. Okay. Okay, whatever. Hello. See, dah tak seram. Sebab aku dah chill. W's Dollhouse. Okay, aku ajar korang trik macam mana nak tak seram dekat hantu Roblox. Just pretend that this is just a game. I mean, tak adalah pretend. Just think that this is just a game. Okay? Ooh, secret compartment. Hebat lu semua. Boom. 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 Ui. Gotta chill, bro. Eh, kenapa aku zoom kat situ? Open. Jap, sebelum everything aku proceed. Sini dulu. Room key. Aku nak kena ambil apa-apa dulu kat tingkat ni ke? That lady wasn't there before. Man, I didn't know. Maybe itu sini. Lepas tu dia gerak. Bagus. Fuck, aku constantly kena jump scare. Tak benda tak seram pun tu, aku rasa. Kau kenapa floating, sir? Oh, miss. Or whatever. Oh, close, tak payah close. Hello. Boleh chill. W's. Lapnya. Okay, chill. Okay, chill. Chill, bro. Picture, bedroom. Oi! Dia duduk depan aku lepas tu buat posing. Baguslah tu. Doll rosak. Ini apa ni, mas? Tiba. Agak tiba Okay. Fuck, seram babi. Should I continue playing? Oh my god, yang mamak floating ni dia tu. So aku assume this is the room. Or no. Bukan tak? Oi! Chill, bro. Sir, please. Please! Get off me! Like, for real, bro. Is this the room? Boom. Yes. So, picture. Take. Oh, ni lah dia. I killed my wife because she drove me crazy. She wanted me to make more dolls. One day, I couldn't take it. And I slipped rat poison into her lunch and made a mannequin out of her. Oh! Yo. Yo, aku kena lari ke ni? Daripada dia ni? I think so. I gotta take the money though. Should I run? Dekat sini tadi. Rat poison. L poison, bro. Oi! I'm going crazy. She's coming for me. She's in these mannequins. Yes, I think that is her. I think I should run. Can I run? Can I leave? Stuck. Fuck, it's stuck, bro. Macam mana aku nak end this game, bro? Dah kot. Oh ni. And now these dummies are chasing me. Please beware of this doll. Okay. W's. Hey! Teleportasi. Banyaknya jump scare. Tak suka. Ni apa? Scarabs. Easter eggs. WX. Guys, if you guys are scared right now, please comment I'm scared in the comment section below. Hello, miss. I believe you are the one who got rat poisoned. No? So can I go now, bro? Fuck. Bro, chill. You gotta chill, bro. I think that's everything, good. I think I interacted with everything. Cuma ada satu that one door je aku belum main. Now I'm not even scared that guy is chasing me though. W growth, W maturity. Maturity, it's fucking crazy. Okay. Ni kan pintu tu. Tak agak. Bro, daripada kau ikut aku, baik kau bagi tahu aku nak pergi mana. Ni ke? She's in these mannequins. Oh, aku ingat. Ni. Kenapa dia ada dua fork? Pelik. Mana? Guys, if you guys are scared, please comment I'm scared in the comment section right now. Allahu Akbar. Hello. See, I'm not even scared anymore. Sini ke? Saya tukar tu. Ke ni? Ni ke? Hai. Oh, ni. Boom. I don't need it now. Wait. Can I do this? Ni apa? Oh, ni. Hello. You wasn't here before, miss. Dia atas katil pula. Ke phone ni? Weird. Oh, ni gambar family dia. Oh my god. Oi! Close. Okay, so all the powers are off. I think bawah tadi ada breaker, so I should go to the breaker. No? Baguslah betik. Ni. So that room where yang ada tempat ke bawah tu, which is here. Aku okay guys. Oh, sini tempat dia buat dia punya wife. Boom. Oh, nak fuse tu. Okay. Kat atas. L fuse. I don't need it now. Fuck you mean don't need it now, bro. Just take, bro. Boom. Okay, turun bawah. Which is here. Boom. Flashlight. Dah use flashlight. Tapi tinggi flashlight ni dia tengok lantai, lepas tu dia macam ada ni, dia macam tak fully, you know. Boom. Boom. Oi! Okay. It's getting, I am getting used to it though now. So now what? Oh my god. So now what? So now where should I go? Maybe that pintu boleh? And boom. Kena buat apa? Asal aku tinggal benda kat bawah ni? Ni ke? Picture bedroom. Okay. Oh. I know that sound. I recognize that sound. That stone moving sound. It's from my 3D animation. You guys can check my 3D animation. Okay, you gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill. Jump. Wait, what? Aduh, miss. Aku tak suka, miss. Bro, aku kena constantly lari daripada dia. What the heck? That is crazy. Dah tak lari. Oh, wait, chill, bro, chill. Oh, ini tadi dia lah. Stuck. Aku kena buat apa baik? Cut every corner. Boom. Jauh. So I have a lot of time. Sini. Tingis tak boleh lari tu. So hello. Oh! Oh! Yes! Finally. Yes, Sirski. Oh my god. I'm so done. Dia macam ni tau. Dia constantly scary. If on the way to escape to get rich, at least you are alive. Ending 2. What? Dia macam ni tau. Game dia macam ni. Dia scary. Lepas tu jump scare. Lepas tu fucking mazes yang bosan gila nak mampus. Tak seram langsung. Aku benci tu kalau ada maze. Macam contoh The Mimic. Whole game tu seram lah. Lepas tu sampai 4 mazes tu bapak lah. Aku be honest lah, aku low-key buka YouTube lah tadi. Tapi it's alright. So kalau kau enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, probably aku akan make more videos this few days. Sebab aku dah sedang cuti SEM right now. There's no work to do. So yeah, that's all. Aku tak sure. Aku dah lama dulu tak tengok YouTube ni aku. Let me check. Guys, kita sikit lagi nak 300 subscriber tu. Okay, how about this? Maybe dalam 1k subscriber aku buat Roblox giveaway. How about that? Okay, so yeah. So if you guys enjoy, please like the video and please do not forget to subscribe. Siapa yang baru kat sini boleh subscribe, siapa yang dah lama kat sini boleh like. Lepas tu kalau nak share kat video ni kat kawan-kawan korang pun tak apa. And please do not forget to comment I'm scared in the comment section below. Macam biasa. Yeah. So yeah, stay safe. Bye bye.